In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're reaching out for work, connecting with friends, or sending important information, emailing is a crucial skill. Today, we're going to walk through this process to ensure you know how to effectively communicate through email using Outlook. So let's dive in and get started with this simple yet powerful tool. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application. If you have it installed on your computer, look for the icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. If you're working from a mobile device, you can easily access the app from your home screen. Upon opening Outlook, you'll be greeted with your main mailbox, which serves as the hub for all your email activities. Here, you'll see a list of received emails which you can browse through and manage as needed. Next, navigate to the Home tab located at the top of the window. This tab is your starting point for most actions within Outlook. From here, locate and click on the New Email button, which is prominently displayed in the toolbar. This action opens a new window where you'll be composing your email. In this space, you'll notice distinct areas for the recipient's address, subject line, and the body of your message. Now let's focus on enhancing the visual aspect of your email by incorporating shapes or arrows. This can be particularly useful if you need to emphasize certain points or guide your recipient's attention to specific details. To do this, go to the Insert tab located along the top menu of your new email window. From here, click on Shapes. You'll be presented with a variety of options, including arrows, lines, and other graphical elements that you can easily insert into your email. Simply select the shape of your choice, click into the body of the email where you want it to appear, and drag to adjust its size. This feature adds a professional touch to your correspondence, especially when you're providing directions or highlighting important information. Once you've finished composing your email and are satisfied with any enhancements you've added, it's time to send it off. Simply click on the Send button, which is usually located in the upper left of your email composition window. With that, your email is on its way, traveling through the digital pathways to reach your recipient in just moments. In summary, sending an email with Microsoft Outlook involves accessing your application, creating a new message from the Home tab, optionally inserting shapes for a polished look, and finally hitting Send. It's that straightforward and efficient. Whether for personal or professional use, mastering this feature boosts your communication skills. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future email endeavors.